Namaste yogis and welcome to Laura Baumann Yoga. In today's class, we'll boost our immune system by focusing on the lymph and thymus glands that are important for our immune system. We'll start in a cross-legged position. Spin the inner thighs down. Sit up tall, lengthen the spine, and relax the shoulders away from the ears. As you inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, join your hands together. Place your hands in front of your heart in prayer position and feel free to set your intention for your practice. Namaste. We'll begin by gently tapping with our fingertips over our breastbone. This is to stimulate the thymus gland. The thymus gland is responsible for our immune system and it's located right under the breastbone and in front of the heart. Few more taps, and we're done. Place your hands on your knees as you inhale, get ready. When you exhale, drop your chin down to your chest. This is to stimulate the lymph nodes that are located in the neck area. On your next inhale, bring your chin up, and exhale, slightly drop your head back. Keep breathing. One more breath. And on your next inhale, lower your chin down. Place the hands out to the sides, fingertips are on the floor. Inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, drop your right ear to your right shoulder. We'll just stay a little bit longer in the neck area. This also helps to release any stress in the shoulders. And breathe in, bring your head back to center. Breathe out, left ear to your left shoulder. Keep breathing and releasing any tension. Inhale, bring your head back to center. Exhale, place your hands on your knees. Inhale, drop your chin down and do a few neck rolls, rolling your head from side to side. Take your time and work with your breath. And roll your chin to your chest and come to neutral. Place your fingertips on your shoulders, holding on to your shoulders. And let's roll out our shoulders. Doesn't matter which direction you go, we'll do both sides. Draw circles with your elbows. Rolling out the shoulders and stretching the shoulders will help stimulate the lymph nodes that are located in the armpits. And take it to the other side. Drawing circles with the elbows. Opposite direction. Last one. Well done. Now release your hands down, hold on to your knees. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up like you're Frankenstein, all the way up to your ears. And as you exhale, release with a sigh. Ha! Good. One more time. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up, and exhale, sigh it out. In our next few poses, we'll target the groin area. That's another location where the lymph nodes are. Come towards the front of your mat, place the feet wider than the hips, squat down, and the heels don't have to be touching the floor. Place your hands in front of you, pressing the elbows against the inside of your knees. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, hold. Take a few deep breaths, open your chest. And exhale, lower your right hand down. Inhale, reach the left arm up. Exhale, hold. Exhale to lower your left hand down. Bring your feet together, drop the head down, and lift your hips up towards the sky for a standing forward fold. You can soften the knees. Feel your body hinging from the hips. Relax your neck. Slightly shift your weight forward towards the balls of your feet. And feel free to grab hold of the opposite elbows for ragdoll pose. Take deep breaths. And you can sway your body from side to side. And come back to center, release your hands down. We'll take Yogi squat again. Spread the feet wider than the hips. Squat down. Remember, your heels don't have to be touching the floor. Keep your right hand on the floor. As you inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, hold. Keep pressing your right elbow against the inside of your right knee. And lower the left hand down, switching sides. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Keep breathing. As you breathe out, lower the right hand down. And let's take a seat with your knees up, planting the feet onto the floor. Hold on to your knees. Roll yourself down one vertebrae at a time. Keep your chin on your chest, head comes down last. Walk your feet in with your heels almost touching your bum. Keep the feet and the knees in line with the hips. Head is in the center. Start pressing down through your hands and feet so much so that your pelvis is lifting up towards the sky. You can keep pressing down through your hands, or you can interlace your hands under you. Begin to walk your shoulder blades a little bit closer towards each other. Hold it here and breathe in bridge pose. It's important to keep the knees in line with the hips to protect the knees. Take one final breath. If your hands were interlaced, release your hands and slowly lower down one vertebrae at a time. Keep your left foot on the floor with your left knee up. Place your right ankle on top of the left knee and scoot your hips a few inches to the right. You can hold on to the right knee with your left hand and gently bring your knees to the left side. And then place the right arm on the floor at shoulder height. Keep both shoulders on the floor and look over your right side. On your next inhale, bring your knees back to center, switching sides. Place your right foot on the floor, left ankle goes on top of the right knee. Scoot your hips over to the left. And gently as you exhale, let your knees fall to the right. Open the left arm out to the side at shoulder height. Remember to keep both shoulders on the floor and stay connected with your breath. And on your next inhale, gently come out of the twist, come back to center. One of our last poses will be legs up the wall. If you're close to a wall, go ahead and position yourself, extending the legs up. Place the heels, backs of your legs, and your butt against the wall. And if you don't have a wall nearby, no worries. I don't have one either, so you can go ahead and copy me. Adjust yourself so you're as comfortable as possible, with or without a wall. And let's open our arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Keep your head in the center. Feel free to close your eyes. Stay connected with your breath. This is one of my favorite poses to release stress. It's very calming for the mind and soothing for the nervous system. And as some of you might know, stress leads to a weakened immune system. That's why I wanted to incorporate this pose. And take one final breath in this pose. Start bending the knees, placing your legs down on the floor for a final pose, corpse pose. Let your feet fall open. Bring your arms along the body with your palms facing up, head is in the center. Feel free to close your eyes and take a few nice deep cleansing breaths in and out through the nose. Remain in corpse pose. I'll be adding a short breathing exercise to extend the exhale and to help detoxify our whole system. We'll be inhaling for a count of 2, hold for a second, then exhale for a count of 4, hold for a second, and repeat. Here we go. Inhale 1, 2, hold, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, inhale 1, 2, hold, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on your own. And you can increase the inhale to a count of 3 and the exhale to a count of 6. And make it your last breathing cycle, slowly finishing it up. And then slowly wake up your body. Gently wiggle your toes, fingers. Stretch yourself out. Yawn, sigh, do whatever feels good. And then roll over to your right side. From there, push yourself up and come to a cross-legged position to close our practice. Breathe in and reach your arms up towards the sky. Gather all the love and healing light into your whole being. Exhale, join your hands together, draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. And take a moment to remember your intention. And also feel gratitude for committing to your yoga practice and your health. Thank you so much for joining me. May the time on your mat be a blessing to you.